We've heard plenty of Sony Xperia 1 design rumors, and it sounds pretty similar to its predecessor in terms of looks. Check out this video of the phone, which shows both sides of it, and we're sure you'll agree with us. Those pictures do show something rumored to be a shortcut button, but we don't know what this does right now. Sony phones have previously had shutter buttons to replicate the feeling of using an actual camera when you're using the phone, so this could be another similar extra. Talking of cameras, we've heard the Sony Xperia 1 could have a periscope lens on one of its snappers. This type of lens allows for long-distance zooming, possibly 5x to 10x in the case of the Xperia phone. It also sounds like the selfie camera will get an upgrade for the next Xperia phone, with a wider aperture likely to bring big improvements. The same source for that also suggested the phone will have a similar display to its predecessor, that is, a 6.5-inch 4K display with 21:9 aspect ratio, but with a max brightness 15% higher. Under the hood, the Xperia 1 could pack the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, the benchmark for premium phones in 2021, and feature 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, rising to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage in a premium variant. This leads nicely onto a final rumor suggesting the Sony Xperia 1 might not come alone, a premium and compact model could be on the way, too. We've since heard that the latter might be the Sony Xperia Compact, a small phone with mid-range specs which likely won't share the Xperia 1 name. And Xperia 1 Premium is expected to boast even higher-end specs than the standard edition, not least the increased storage capacity mentioned above.